Welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and support this channel. And please provide a message in the comments below and you'll be notified on the next broadcast video. Yes, it's been a long time since I posted a video on this channel. And it's been a lot going back and forth. And really, I have to think about if I want to continue on to this journey or give up. But I want to give this channel another shot, and I believe that I had to be more consistent and more dedicated to my craft and for this channel to be successful. So now let's continue on with this video. I would like to talk about the most surprising development coming out of China, how advanced their robotics technology has become in terms of performance and functionality. For an example, the recent showcase of the Unitree robotic G1 humanoids amazed the world with its ability to perform a full backflip and seamlessly transition into complex martial art moves during a televised event. What truly sets these robots apart technically is their high torque, lightweight servo motors combined with advanced gyroscopic stabilizing systems, which allowed both explosive power and precise control during the movement. These G1 humanoids also feature an improvement of AI-driven motion planning and real-time sensor feedback and cutting-edge joint design, giving them a wider, more natural range of motion than the previous model. The, the video of this Chinese New Year of 2026 event went viral, and by seeing these robots execute a precise and athletic movement and really caught the attention of the world. These robotics are pushing the boundaries of what was once thought possible. Now, I want to take the moment to clarify the timeline. Also, you can really see how far these robotics has become. Last year, in the New Year of 2025, the Chinese of the New Year, the Unitree robots showcase of its humanoid robots for the first time was pretty interesting dance performance and was noticeably time of their moment, and basically it was kind of limited at best. Now moving to this year of 2026, we see a huge impressive leap of forward. This year the development has been incredible, with the latest performance is a huge step from what the Chinese New Year's of 2025. Now you can now that you have been seeing these robots perform, these robots perform these robots came from the same company, Unitree Robotics, a humanoid manufacturer. With just saw recently of the G1 robot delivering an amazing performance of acrobatic and martial arts skills that totally went viral and all over the world, and no one could not believe what they saw. I am totally surprised by it and the possibility by programming the humanoids with multiple virtual simulation to fine-tune the right performance tasks so the humanoid robots can seamlessly match up and work with their human counterparts. Looking back from last year of the performance of these robots showing the promises of their improvement were quite limited and less refined. Since then, there has been a significant upgrades and breakthroughs in leading to the 2026 Chinese New Year for the Unitree Robotics. And it has improved both hardware and software of the G1 humanoids and making much more flexible, responsive of this year. These robots demonstrate a broader range of complex movement and more advanced acrobatic and, highly coordinated martial arts routine, all with an incredible speed and precision. And the company had also introduced an improvement in balance and control and enhancement of sensory feedback and new joint designs and enable more like an adaptation of performance compared to their counterparts. Unitree, their latest G1 robot models, are standing out of their agility and dynamics of motion and capability. For example, of the US-based robotics often excel in an industrial application and stability, and the Japanese robots also recognized for their precision and expressive movement of the G1 features. Believe me, these robots are capable. I mean, I had to give kudos to the engineers because they did an amazing job of upgrading these machines. Well, I can't say these machines, these humanoids. And this is bring I mean honestly, the skies are the limit and it can be achieved in most exciting ways. And the competition will heat up with the engineers from China, United States, Japan, or around the world of how to push these humanoid robotics to the next limit. I just want to say this in the beginning of this journey, and I know a lot of people are concerned about these new robotics coming online, and I kind of feel the same way. To address these concerns of engineers and companies are actively developing the safety measures such as built-in emergency stop function or restrictive access control or remote shutdown systems that are also ongoing in effort to develop an ethical guidelines on for how these robots make decisions and enable them to perform safely and interact with humans to avoid causing harm. In many countries, teams are collaborating with government agencies and ethical to create a standard of covering transparency and privacy and human oversight in robotics development. These safeguards are designed to ensure the humanoid robots assist humanity and operate a responsibility rather than just meeting everyone's expectation of what they can do. Now I want to hear what you think on how do you feel about this rapid development of robotics? Are you excited or worried or maybe both? What will you like to see from these robots in the future? Drop your thoughts in the comment and below and let's start this conversation about what you see or hear about this technology ongoing. And it's very important too. But anyway, this is it for this video and I will see you next time. And please post a comment and what you think about this development. I know everybody's concerned about it, but I'll let that opinion goes to you. I will see you next time. Have a nice day.